In this video, we're going to talk about how to answer CMI Unit 526, Task 2, AC 2.1. So let's take a look. We've got the assignment brief on the left-hand side, and then this document over here is our template. So let's just jump straight in. Task 2, it says AC 2.1. Write an account which examines the relationship between management and leadership. In the recommended content, it defines relationship as refers to the balance between the demands of leadership and management. It can be a little bit tricky, this one, to answer. So what we've done is, in the template, is just put a table. This is the sort of thing we might chat through if we were doing a tutorial with you, or if we were, if this was part of a corporate program. There's a number of different kind of aspects to leadership and management. It sort of depends which bit you're talking about. So I hope this table just provides a bit of structure really for governance, operations, relationship with employees, etc. And so also what this can do, hopefully, for you is just give you some structure for your answer. So over here in the template, we're just suggesting that you can use the scenario that they provide, but really the main focus with these assignments is to write about your own workplace. So think about your own job role, the current one, the one that you're looking to step into. It's fine to write these things hypothetically, but we need to use lived examples. You'll be more motivated to learn and reflect on it, and it will be more meaningful and more useful for you. And from an assessment point of view, it will show that you can apply the learning, which is really great. So let's take a look. You could choose one or other of these categories, and then you could describe your workplace and your role. So let's say you're an operational manager. So you're in a kind of middle-sized operational role. Maybe you've got a team of 10 or 20 people or something like that. Then, what does leadership look like in that environment for you? And what does management look like? It will be different in a team leader role, and it will be different in a, kind of strategic leadership or management role. So just choose your own, or choose one that you identify with, and talk about these particular things. So I've put some subheadings in here just to give you a bit of a starting point, but they are just examples. You choose anything you like. So if we take the focus on people and focus on things, when you're doing your job well, as you describe it here, what's the balance? When management and leadership demands are balanced, then what does that look like? What's the focus on people and things? So how do leadership and management work well together in that particular, under that sort of that heading? Again, the next one, thinking about creating a future. We could think about goal setting, for example. So leadership, classic sort of definition of leadership might be about kind of articulating a vision, whereas for management it's more about the now, isn't it? Improving the present and executing plans and delivering results today. So that's a really nice kind of temporal, thinking about kind of the time aspect of leadership and management and that balance and so on. So I hope that's useful. One fairly obvious model that you might want to choose to bring in here would be something like John Adair's action-centered leadership. It talks about balancing the needs of tasks, individual and team. But again, really what I'm getting at there is that sort of sense of balance across those demands for you in your management role. So yeah, great. Hope you find that useful. It is an examine question. So you need to be, kind of looking in detail at some of the different aspects of that relationship, and then commenting on it. Great, thanks.